In a quiet lab, a researcher traced how mitochondria harbor their own DNA, hinting at a stubbornly independent ancient lineage. The discovery reframed heredity, showing not all traits travel from nucleus alone, but through shared mitochondrial inheritance. Fascinated by maternal transmission, the scientist mapped mutations in mitochondrial DNA across generations, revealing patterns unseen before. These tiny engines influence energy, aging, and even disease risk, making mitochondrial study essential for medicine and anthropology. As methods advanced, the invisible partnership between organelles and cells became a vivid chapter in biology history and reshaped how scientists view life.